It was muted. I'm too stupid, guys. Yeah. If I open these channels from now on, if I open my live stream from my Facebook, it's gonna be my mother language, Uyghurcha. On Uyghur Man, I already opened this from Uyghur Man, so I think I need to speak English because I think majority of the followers is English speakers, so I don't want to make a huge mistake. Okay, did you guys see here? This is my Twitch account. Now I changed my name to the Uyghur Man 2020, the Justice Believer, and look at the comment section. It's like I started from 30 minutes ago. It said, I am feeling you on my ass, and I am feeling you on my ass. Someone saying they are feeling me on their ass. Keep doing that, you know, it's so funny. So, what do you guys think? It's who is doing who? Like, I mean, there's someone definitely like hacking me, or you know. I'm even not online on Twitch right now, but the messages keep coming. So what should I do and what it is? This is so bullshit, you know what I'm saying? This is a bullshit world. So anyone know what? Anyone have an idea about what is that? Guli Marsud and Uyghur Kids Radio. What do you think about what is that? I was like, this is my gaming channel, also speaking a workout channel. Every time some people ask me where I'm from or who I am, I just speak out, right? Yes, I'll just say, oh, I'm Uyghur, I'm from East Turkestan. That country was East Turkestan and occupied by Chinese Communist Party, blah, blah, blah. You know, I start speak out for every single person every time I got asked. That's why I feel like this is from that. That's the reason someone is like trying to stop me or trying to stop my chatting section. I met some couple people like pretty like understand and know about what's going on to Uyghurs. So that's why I like spend some times before I sleep every day, you know, on my Twitch. Pretty cool, and I met a couple friends. We become real friends on that, you know. And then that's what happened. So what should I do? Please let me know. Yeah, I think someone is hacking me. So of course it's like I'm speaking up for the Uyghurs. What I believe maybe CCP is hacking me. I just wanna please share the video, guys, and let the more people see and what they believe. I just want to show it here as evidence or whatever, you know. Someone asked you ask like Guli Maksud, you ask me about the music, right? Here's good music from. Like this is a app you can download. It's for free and they're all copyright free. So when you're streaming, you can just play that as background music. So if you don't know, then just let you know. Okay, I will share to the different group. Let's see, gonna be a lot of people gonna come or not. Support Uyghurs? Yes, I'm talking about Uyghurs. Why not, right? Hold on, I will typing for you. It's free for both Windows. Both system, operation system, Mac or like Windows. That's pretty cool. Okay, and now I'm sharing to different group. Let's see, there's some people gonna come, and I'm just asking them. They just gave me perfect like topic to talk, you know. We always got fucking bothered all the time just because of we fucking Uyghur and we fucking talking about Uyghur situation. I'm sorry, I should not swear. I'm not gonna swear anymore. But they just piss you off. It's definitely from Chinese communists, those 50 cents army online. And I want to know. And I want to know this is Twitch is from where? How should I stop this, you know? If anyone have any idea, just let me know. You're welcome, you're welcome. Be afraid of myself. Don't tell me you're sorry. Just say a thing that stop me. Help me break the silence. Will come to save me from myself. Only 3 people watching? Damn. Hold on a second. I think I need to keep waiting. Can you guys see it? Any viewers? No? Give me a way to reach inside and find. The mic is opening now. That's good. Yeah, look at this, guys. If you are watching now, if you don't know what's going on, I'll just let you know. All this text is from, if you don't know what's going on, some hacker. Someone just hacking me. All this text. Did you see, guys? That's why I posted on my Facebook. Someone just hacking me. Did you see, guys? That's why I posted on my Facebook. Anyone there? Please let me know if you want me to start talking. My wife makes best tea. So I should put it here for now. Someone just hacking me this. So how should I stop, guys? Anyone there? Please let me know if you're watching. So I am asking you guys, like, how should I stop this? How should I call the Twitch or customer service, or how? You know, this is a, they just try to stop my interaction on Twitch, because I interact with my people from here and I speak on the mic, right? So they just keep freshing with the same text over and over again with different name, different account. You know, so they're trying to stop me use Twitch. So how should I react on this? Anyone watching my stream right now, please let me know. And what's your reason? What are you gonna do if you were me? Give me a second, guys. I'll get something to drink. Yo, what's up, guys? Wow. Look at these bodies. This I need to keep motivate myself, you know, keep work hard. I need to do something. I need to do something during this quarantine time. I need to do something. And if you have any idea about how should I stop this hacking on my Twitch, please let me know. And what do you think? How should I stop this? My question is simple. They're trying to silence me. Why is it so scared? Why is it so scared? I just talked to a couple people about Uyghur situation so far, and I already start to get this, trying to get silenced by some people, at least. I don't know who exactly is, but what that mean, guys? So I can't talk about what I believe. I can't talk anything good about to my people. I can't save my people. I can't support my people. So how should I do? What should I do, guys? Please let me know. And I just got this video from my sister. I feel so sad today, to be honest. And my mother also said, I miss you so much. Let me put down this Twitch. I don't care anymore. What the fuck? Alright, guys. Yo, no, I will do it when there's more people coming here. Now it's too early. Let's share, guys. Make it 20 people here, and then I will show my WeChat with my parents. Let's see. If there's more than 20 people interested if I talk about my conversation with my parent, my sister and my mother, there's only 3 of us in one WeChat group. We barely have a conversation. Most of it is my daughter's video. I just want to show them my daughter's video. Means kind of, yes, we fine. They will reply some word. Just saying they're fine. I can't even deeply ask. I'm tired with this type of life already, you know. If there's more than 20 people on streaming right now, I will show what they're talking and why is what my sister said on Twitch. No, on WeChat. Let's raise it up. Let's raise it up, guys. Okay, I think I need to do live on Twitch too. Actually, why I only do it here? So what do you guys think? How should I stop about it? Anyone know? Anyone will know what should I do? Like just share. Hold on a second. I will copy to some. I don't know why they don't even listen and answer my question. I'll put it here. I will put somewhere else. You're trying to silence me. Why? I mean, tell me the reason. Yo guys, I need to stop if there's no people like really interested. But I will stream on the Facebook. Let's see on the Facebook what the heck gonna happen. Now, okay, I will. No, I think YouTube stream is okay. I'll just let the people. Yo guys, this is not just a. You should wake up. If these things happen to me, it's gonna happen to you, and we cannot able to speak about the justice about the Uyghurs. That's not good. Oh, I'm opening here, so it's gonna appear. No, I should not open here. Yo guys, please share the video. When I reach 20 people, I start talk about my topic today. When I reach 20 people, Please share the video, guys, and let it reach to the 20 people, and I will start my topic. So guys, how should I change when I hit the 20 plus people on my stream, I will start my topic, guys. Please share if you want to listen. I won't talk before 20. There's some trick here, so you have to understand. I'm talking every single word with a lot of things, you know, with my parents' life, with my own life. I'm talking something serious, not for kids. If you're kids, don't even listen. It's fine. But if you like something about politics, then just share it for me, and then when it reach 20 people, I will start talking. Whoop. Hold on. She stopped it. Hold on, I think he stopped it. They finally stopped it, guys. Now it's like 6:55 p.m. right? Because I streamed. That's the only reason. That's the only way you can stop this this monster. Okay, I use nice word, monster. See, they stopped hacking me. Did you see that? Hey, Kunai, do you know what happened? Yo, Kunai. Do you know what happened? It's so crazy. Did you just got here, or you were listening what's happening? That's so cool. You stopped that. No, they was like hacking me. If you look at my poster, like on my post, on my Facebook post, you will see I got hacked some on my Twitch. Like it's okay. Looks like this. Did you see here? This was what they're saying. Like I feel like you are on my ass. I feel like you are on my ass. Like keep saying like this, you know. And then it wasn't stopped till a couple hours. Then I decided, okay, I will show this. Why is it doing this, hacking this to me? And I want to ask from my like Facebook followers or YouTube like followers, and they just stopped, you know. Someone is playing with me. Damn, that's crazy. That's good. You have to stop them. Do not fucking play with me. Yeah, here's what you got. If you come and play with me, you got that for your neck. I mean, some organization just took over everything they can, you know. Alhamdulillah, thanks God. God gave me another family now, but they basically took everything from me that time. you know. That's why I was like, what should I do? I was thinking first, and then, all right, I will just stream. I will tell the people what's going on, what's happening to me, and ask my people, my friends, how to stop these hackers. And then after how many minutes? I think it's like 4 minutes. No. I've been streaming for how many minutes? Let me see. Yeah, 20 minutes, about 20 minutes, I believe. Yeah, no, 30 minutes. 30 minutes, half an hour is you were like just still hacking me. That fucking bots not got cancelled, you know. Now I'm speaking up on live stream, YouTube live streams, then they stopped. Yeah, I will do it tomorrow. Today I'm done. I'm like, I need to sleep early. I'm done with Twitch. I played like a couple rounds just for relax, and I give away couple skin on my Twitch, on my CS:GO. But I mean, I just fixed the problem, right? I'm just happy about what happened, about how I stopped this. Otherwise, I have no idea. I was thinking call the Twitch, you know, like customer service, and report this problem or not. Yeah, I will try. If there's like really someone is talking similar things, it means probably is that account. But look at that, it's all different account. It's never repeated. It's like look at this. No, look at this account. It's never repeated. All bot fake accounts on Twitch. So you can see how scary it is, you know what I'm saying? They try to silence me on Twitch. They try to silence me on Twitch. I just reported and this stuff. Okay guys, thanks for your listening. Since they stopped, so I think I'm fine. So I will see you guys next time.